Brown eye. Brown eyes are the ones that helped us evolve as a species. Imagine our early ancestors running after an antelope in the burning sun and sweat pouring into their eyes. They didn't have glasses, hats, or any other protection. Suddenly, a blinding flash, and the sun was burning their eyes. For a split second, everything disappeared, and then all they saw was a streak of dust from their dinner. This wasn't because it vanished, but because their vision broke down under the harsh light. Without food, they were signing their own death sentence right then. But there was a group that could see, and it wasn't because of luck, but because of their eye color. That's how the crushing evolutionary advantage began. Somewhere near the equator, brown eyes gave the first humans a superpower. Because they looked at the horizon with eyes made for fighting and survival. Their eyes were dark, intensely saturated with melanin. Out of necessity, melanin acted like a natural shield. While light eyes scattered light into visual chaos, brown eyes dampened it. Like a shield designed for bright sun. They were opaque and better prepared for intense light than other colors. Those who saw better survived. This ancient trick still works because today, over 70% of people in the world have this built-in protection in their genes. Without them, we'd be blind in harsh light. And on the savannah, blindness didn't just mean losing sight. It meant death. There was no chance involved, just brutal selection. In the sun, the difference between hunter and prey came down to seconds. Brown eyes reacted 0.3 seconds faster than light eyes. That's less than a blink. But it was enough for your ancestors to survive, and for your lighter-eyed cousins to become dinner. If it weren't for brown eyes, maybe today animals would be telling stories about those strange, slow-running monkeys who disappeared because they couldn't see danger through the sun's glare. Brown eyes aren't rare, but they are a living relic from hundreds of thousands of years ago. Blue eye. Blue eyes are a contradiction. 10,000 years ago in northern Europe, snow lay for 9 months a year. The sun shone for sometimes an hour, maybe 2. This was a nightmare for people with dark eyes. Their eyes were made for harsh sun, and in the new conditions, they went blind, got lost, and died of hunger. But a mutation appeared. Blue eyes. Blue eyes allowed them to see better in twilight and against a white background. Hunters with such eyes spotted reindeer, rabbits, and tracks in the snow that others didn't notice. Whoever saw the game came back with meat, and whoever didn't died of hunger. That's why blue eyes survived in northern Europe. It was an advantage that decided life here. But blue eyes are a pure lie. There's nothing blue in them, not a gram of blue pigment, yet everyone calls them that. When a newborn opens their eyes,